Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta Data Exchange. What to say? Another day of big fall, and mostly Monday and Friday will be a trending day. But now we are left with only two more trading session. So today, as usual, Friday also the markets fell, and today, who thought? On Friday, Nifty closed at the lowest level in February series and also at 8 months low. And after that, today, Nifty has fallen about 250 points. And in fact, GIFT Nifty was indicating only about 90, 100 point down, but we have fallen 250 point. IT index came under severe selling pressure today. The 4 out of the bottom 5 stocks in Nifty 50 are from IT pack. And over the weekend, the Trump did not announce anything negative, but I don't know why IT index has to fall so much. TCS, which was trading around 4,500, now it has broken even 3,700, right? So anyway, so this is the discount sale in the market. So everything has to fall. So IT stocks are also falling. Reliance has come to very close to the swing low. So things are not really looking very good. A morning market sold off. After that, many people were expecting some kind of a recovery or short covering towards the end of the day, mainly because the European markets were higher, US futures were higher. Many Asian markets were also closed in green. So because of that, the people were expecting some kind of a short covering. That short covering has not happened. And in fact, Nifty closed somewhere near the lower level. Right? I think it after falling to 260, 270, 280 points, only 20, 30 point recovery was there. So main reason, FII selling. So today FIIs have sold for 6,200 crore. So, at this lowest level, they are coming and selling 6,200 crore. The domestic institutions have bought about 5,200 crore. So now you know the reason why the markets are down. But what was surprising for the last few trading sessions, though Nifty keep on breaking the supports, all right, even today, even the Nifty has broken the 19,000 to 26,000, 40% rally. So 50% retracement of that also happened today. Even that level was also broken. Usually when this happens, the volatility index shoots up, right? But here, every day the India VIX is also falling. And today you look at 8 months low closing, lowest swing low closing, everything is low, but India VIX did not shoot up. It is falling. Mainly because, probably people are thinking, this time this fall is happening for no reason. So, the people are hoping that every day the market will stabilize, the bottom is near, but the market continue to fall. So, without any corresponding increase in the volatility index. So, in a way that is actually good for option writers, right? So, all in all, we are not out of the problem yet. And in just the year to date, from January till now, we have underperformed Chinese markets by about 25%. Chinese markets were up 17-18%. We are down 8-9%. So there is a huge difference of 25% performance difference in less than 2 months. Right. So, Indian markets are singled out for punishment in the world markets. So we don't know when the market is going to recover. So at least, if you're a trader now, at least you can short the market. Or, I was thinking, there are some funds called long only funds, right? There are some funds called long short funds. So maybe it is time to launch a fund which is sell call only funds. So people who keep on selling calls are making very good profit, right? So those people are buying the call, they are unnecessarily losing the money. So we have only 2 more trading sessions left. There are no signs of short covering. In fact, more shorting is happening. Today, you look at even 22, 600, 700, 800 calls were added in huge open interest. On Friday, 22, 800 calls were added in huge open interest. I thought, what? Market is, so near, people are selling calls. But today, those people who sold that call made huge profit. So, clearly, it is time to be very, very cautious if you are an investor. And many people, don't believe the people who are giving all kinds of things, today also I saw somebody saying, 2008 market fell, recovered, 2020 market fell, recovered. Okay, fine. But all those times when the market fell, there was a reason for fall. Okay? So once that reason was like coronavirus, once it is over, the market recovered. Right? Now, there is no reason. The only reason given is that overvaluation. So, if the market, from falling from 26,000 to 23,000 because of high valuation, then how can the market go to 27,000 or 28,000? Because I've seen people saying, whether it is of Lehman Brothers collapse or coronavirus or any other problem in India, the markets fell. Next 1 to 2 years, they shot up even more than that. Right? So, how can the market shoot more than 26,300? Then don't you think that valuation will become even higher? Right? So, there is some logic is lacking here. Right? So, don't always think, what happened in the past, same thing will happen in future. There is no guarantee. And you look at the mutual funds also, they see past performance, there is no guarantee for future performance. Right? So, as I told you, the price correction may not be more from here, but there is a possibility markets may go in for a time correction for a longer period of time. So, people are saying, no, you see, if you have bought this, okay, forget about all those things. Somebody buying now, after 3 years, if he's sitting with a 25% profit, if he has put the money in bank FD also, he would have got more than 25% return. At least those days, there was one argument. Sir, you put the money in bank FD, after 3 years, even if you get 25%, you are liable to pay tax. In stock market, there is no tax. But now that logic is also not holding. Right? Here, everywhere you are paying tax. So, therefore, as long as these FIIs continue to sell, right, I feel that it is like, catching the falling knife. So, wait for some kind of stability, right? You may pay even 10 rupees more to buy a share, but at least, you are more or less sure that, the downside risk is limited. But now the way markets are going, so it's really looking very, very scary. Another 200, 300 point fall, and now will be like Nifty would have fallen 4,000 point, right? So this kind of severe fall for no reason. If there is a reason, I agree. So what is the reason? Lehman Brothers collapse, coronavirus, demonetization, some reason is there, is okay. Look at the European markets, look at the US markets. They are all trading at all-time high. When all the markets are trading at all-time high, so we keep on falling, right? So therefore, definitely it is time to be cautious. So anyway, we have only 2 more trading sessions, right? And in fact, I sold call options, 23,000 and above, but those premiums are like, they're not very high now. The premiums are very, very low. Moreover, I cannot disclose my positions, okay, because like, they're all like, very, very complicated. So a lot of hedging will be there, in fact, I have taken long position in Nifty future at 24,000, again at 23,500, right? But luckily, I bought the December month put option so that, no matter how much market is falling, I will lose, but my loss will be a maximum of 2%, not more than that, right? So that peace of mind I have. So anyway, so time is running out. So this weekend I'll be coming back to India. The following week I'll be conducting a workshop in Bengaluru. So hope you enjoy it. watching this video. Thank you for watching.